Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set the list of accounts you follow on TikTok private. All right, so now let's open up our TikTok account. Okay, so when you open up your TikTok account, you click on your profile, and then now what you need to do is to click on these three lines at the top of your account. Now you go to tap on settings and privacy. So now you go to click on privacy, and then here you go to scroll down till you get to following list. All right, so click it and then click on only me. So now we have set our following list private, so nobody will see the list of the persons or the accounts we follow. So right now your account following list is private. Nobody can see the people you follow except you. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.